Hi, I am Ishwar from Nepal. By profession, I am an in charge of TIG MIG welding section in VCET Balaji. As per my education and qualifications, I have passed 3 years technician certificate level in mechanical engineering from BTC Balaji in 1991. Well, I started my career in Council for Technical Education and Vocational Training (CTVT) as an assistant instructor mechanical. Presently, I am working as arc and TIG MIG welding trainer in VCET Balaji and trainer for mobile training in different parts of Nepal. With time, there are more challenges increase in competitions and need to perform better with each passing day. I always feel and really need to work very hard to get recognized. Thank you for listening to me.